Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Jose Torres, and today we are going to be doing a video that I did years ago, but I am doing it again because I'm going to be restarting basically this project about tutorials for PhoneGap, and several things has changed since last time that I record something. So today we are going to be installing PhoneGap in a Mac computer. So to do that, let's go to phonegap.com, the official web page, and basically let's go to products, scroll down a little until you find the installers for Mac or for Windows. Let's do it for Mac, and let's wait until it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you just need to click it to open it. If you don't see the downloads files over here, open your Finder and go to the downloads folder over here, and you are going to find it. So let's go to double click it and say agree, waited for it to be opened, and you basically just need to drag and drop this to the applications folder. It will take some seconds. You can check the progress over here if you go to the applications folder, and once it's completed, just double click it to open it. Okay, once it's completed, just double click, wait for it to open. Sometimes you are going to need to provide some permissions because of the application was downloaded from internet. We know it is safe, so click open, and this is the very nice interface. I don't know if you saw or some of the old videos basically where everything needs to be done from the terminal. So now it is a little nicer from that. So to create a new project over here, we just need to click the plus button, create new PhoneGap project option. We have a bunch of options. Today we are going to work with the Hello World option. So just select that one, click next, provide the name. I'm going to be very original, Hello World, and select where do you want your project to be created. I have a PhoneGap folder over here, so I'm going to select that one. And when you are ready, just click the Create Project green button over here. And our project is created. Let's go to double check that it was created. So just go to the folder where you created. You should have the Hello World folder over there. Open it, and you are going to see an structure like this. On the next video, we are going to run this Hello World in our devices, your iPhone or your Android, and we are going to be checking the code that it generated and explain a little more about what all these files are. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and remember to turn on the bell to get the notifications for the future videos. If you liked the video, please remember to like it and comment something. If you have some question, or if you like it, or if you want more, please leave a comment. Thank you so much. See you the next time. You can follow me in Instagram. It is J Torres CR. So see you there. Thank you so much.